Tomorrow, one very important thing, okay. We want all of you course participants to help with one presentation. Okay. Every person has to prepare one slide. Okay. And in that slide, you have to put 1 or 2 pictures and 5 or 6 bullet points on important lessons learned from this workshop. Okay, every person one slide. And Meenakshi, she will be sending you a format for the slide. Okay, one template. So it might have some border or something like that. And you fill out in that and send it back to her. Put your name also on it. Okay? And maybe she'll present, or someone else in class, she'll find someone else in class and present. But she'll put the entire slide, PowerPoint together. So there'll be at least 23, 24 slides. One person, only one slide. Okay? And every text on that has to be at least 24 point. You know when you type, it's 12 point. The text on that has to be at least 24 point. Okay? So by this evening, if you can finish it, then tomorrow sometime we'll have that. Okay? Good. And she's probably sent you something in WhatsApp already, right? Meenakshi, you have her email, or she probably sent you her email. I think you have her phone number in that group. Anyway, so now we have one short activity, and after the activity we are going to transition to solid waste. Actually today we're going to start with solid waste in Patna, and then we'll see whether we can finish it today. And then if we don't finish solid waste today, then tomorrow we'll start with solid waste. Okay? Because we have to finish by 3:15 because how can we have Gyan when the Prime Minister of India is here, right? So okay. We'll do one activity. No, just create a Google form, okay, to put that in. So Kundan, you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ajay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay. All. So the theme today is to look at.
I think you didn't count it.
Yeah, you were counted. I went from there to here. So what were you?
I thought I was 1.
Then he's 5. Yeah.
I was 5.
You're 5? Yeah, I'll put you in one of the groups. Don't worry.
So he's a 2.
He's 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so Shrikant, you're 2. He's paying attention to your numbers. Okay, so for each of you, you look at the sewage system in a particular city. What percentage of the people have access to different kinds of systems? Like in some cities, people have 100% of the people might have access to solid waste, waterborne sanitation system. In some cities, only 80% have access, and 20 people are open defecation. In some cities, it might be 40% have waterborne sanitation system, 30% have septic tanks, 20% have open defecation. Okay, and the relationship between that and certain incidents of certain diseases per million population or per 1,000 population. So by some ratio, okay, not 100 cases, but 100 cases per million or 100 cases per 1,000, whatever. Okay, for the following diseases: cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea. Any given year. Okay. So we'll find out if there's a correlation between the type of sanitation system, access to the type of sanitation system, and diseases. Okay. So the cities what cities did we do yesterday? So New York, London, Cairo, Jakarta, and Hong Kong. Okay, we'll do the same cities. Okay, team 1 do all the ones. All the ones do New York. Okay. All the 2s, raise your hand. All the 2s do London. All the 3s, raise your hand. All the 3s do Jakarta. All the 4s do there are only 2 people? No, there are 2 other, at least one more. Yeah, all the 4s do Cairo. All the 5s do Hong Kong. Okay? So all the 1s, where are the 1s? Okay, all the 1s go to Adrish. Go back there to Adrish. All the 2s, raise your hand. All the 2s go back this side to Ranveer. All the 3s, raise your hand. Okay, all the 3s come here to Supriya madam. All the 3s come forward. All the 4s, where are the 4s? All the 4s go to Vivek here, on the side, on the right side. All the 3s come forward. There are at least 3 3s. Okay, all the 4s go to Vivek here. Some more 4s have to go there. Some more 4s have to go there. There are only 2, there are at least 3 4s. Who are the 4s? You have only 2 4s right now? Only 2 of you? Okay. I think you are a 4. Aren't you a 4? No, not you. You? Shipra, sorry. You're 5? What about you, Ajay? Then you must be 4. You're 1? Samaj, what are you then? 5? How come both of you are 5? Okay, so who are the 5s? All the 5s come to Jayesh. All the 5s come to Jayesh. So who's not anywhere? Yeah, join them.
अगर ज़्यादा होगा तो ये कम होगा और ये कम होगा तो ये ज़्यादा
Hey, who are the other people in your team? Team number 3, he's there. Ajay is there.
बोलेंगे सर्टिफिकेट प्रिंट करना है तो फोन करके देना हम उनको व्हाट्सएप कर दें
New York? Oh, New York student. What about London? Could you please share what you found in London? Could you can one of you from your group please share?
The total population of London is approximately 8.9 million.
8.9 million. Could you speak a bit louder, Vivek?
So the total population of London is 8.9 million.
Yeah.
And about the sanitation facilities, private toilets, which is connected to public sewer system, 95 to 97% of the total population have access to that system, and roughly approximately 1 to 2% have access to private toilets, which is connected to septic tanks, private septic tanks. And Shared toilets, 1 to 3% have access to that shared common toilets, and composting and dry toilets, 0.5% of total population have access to that.
Yes, so basically 99.1% of the population has the facility of sanitation, and that 99.1% is categorized into these 5 which he said.
So what does the 0.9% do? They have open defecation?
So that is not mentioned.
Okay.
So, and after that when we found out, so 0 cases were reported in London of cholera, and there were around 13 to 17 cases in UK, and people were like travelers and frequently movers. And after cholera, the typhoid, 300 to 500 persons annually are affected by typhoid in whole of 8.9 million of population in London. And then 274 persons per 1,000 were affected by diarrhea every year.
Okay.
So that is
Good. Thank you. So you guys are Jayesh, which group are you? Which city? Okay, tell us about Hong Kong.
Saying that 2.8 million cubic meters of sewage treated daily in Hong Kong.
Yeah, but how many households have connection to sewage system?
Almost all houses have the
Okay.
all houses have the connected to the sewage system, and it is enough to fill almost 1120 swimming pools.
Okay.
And almost 300 to 320 pumping stations and treatment plants are there, and they have the decentralized sewage treatment.
Okay.
Is right now, and the 16 sewage master treatment plant is there, and last cholera outbreak case in 1961, and only 358 cases of typhoid in the year 2024, and no cases of diarrhea there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what percentage of the population has access to waterborne system versus septic tank versus biochemical toilet? Do you have that number?
I don't.
Okay. No, it's good. It's good. Okay. Thank you. Okay. New York, are you ready? Okay. Adresh, why?
अच्छा cases पर कितना age
Mine city is New York.
Yeah.
About 100% population coverage through sewage system in New York has access, and 8.5 million people serve daily treatment, 1.3 billion gallons treated per day, and 6,000 plus miles of sewer pipes. 100% of New York City's population has access to sewage system, making it one of the most comprehensive served urban areas in the United States. System configuration, about 60% of New York City has combined sewer system,
Okay.
while 40% of it is separate sewer system.
Okay. Okay, I have a question for the London people. Does London have more sewage coverage than New York, or New York has more? Okay, carry on, Kulman. You finished? Okay, yes, Adarsh.
The health outcomes like cholera and typhoid are very much less, very rare cases, but diarrhea cases are much more than those two. And
How many cases of diarrhea?
approximately 1,000 per 1 million.
1,000 per 1 million. How does that compare to London?
Almost
How does that compare to London?
274 per 1,000.
per 1,000. ये hepatitis है. Less.
Okay.
Yeah, it's less. And the near elimination of classic waterborne diseases once sewer access exceeds 80%, and diarrheal diseases persist because these pathogens spread chiefly via food and person-to-person contact or recreational water channels, and are not fully interrupted by the sanitary sewers.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Good. Thank you. What about you, Ajay? Which city are you? Jakarta?
in Jakarta, there is approximately percent of total population has the center connectivity of the sewage. Overall, 92% of household in Jakarta has the improved sanitation, which rest of the 12% is approximately 80% has the decentralized sewage. For example, it has their own septic tank in their house. And now coming to the relationship with the disease cases per million, is the part that so the centralized sewage is approximately 20% or 20 cases per million, and on-site sanitation has the 60 cases per million, and the no proper sanitation has the approximately 100 people per million in area of the. And with respect to the cholera, typhoid and diarrhea, the centralized sewage area so the low disease rate, and the on-site sanitation has the moderate rate, and the lack of the proper sanitation on that area has the most highest rate of the integrated specialized diarrhea and the typhoid. And the bar chart that shows the in green line has the centralized sewage system, which continues showing the lowest per million disease in all three cases. In orange, that denotes the on-site sanitation has the moderate rate of inflated of the disease, and the red graph shows the no proper where that area where has the no proper sanitation, that has the most highest rate of disease per million in the three categories.
Great, thank you very much. So this was a really good one, right? Because they showed for each the different areas within the city. How does these rates compare? London, how do your rates compare with Jakarta? More diarrhea cases per million?
Yes, sir, per 1,000 actually.
Per 1,000. Okay, good. Thanks. And now we have Cairo, right? Cairo is the last. Yes, you're right.
So, before moving to Cairo's waste systems, we identified some diagram where they are.
Okay, someone come and show. Maybe you can come and show.
You can open that, no?
One second, yeah, let her open. Let her open.
Yes, so we will go with this diagram now. So the present diagram shows that how the water treatment planning will be keep on happening at Cairo. So capital of Egypt, still 0.1% of local people they go for open defecation, and the Cairo sewage treatment plan. What they will do, they will be collecting the water supplies, the wastewater from residential areas, plus commercial areas, industrial areas, and informal settlements also. They will take it back from there to a central place, and then they will be doing the treatment process back there. And after treatment process, the outcome of those water, they can be transferred back to three places. The first one will be discharged to the Nile River, which is the only source of water at your Cairo. Some of the water which are useful for your irrigation purpose can be sent back to that irrigation reuse, it will be sent, and another one will be sent back for your sludge management and all. But still the entire water sewage system is facing some of the challenges. The challenges are related back to aging infrastructure, like we need use maintenance to maintain the entire drainage system and all, and we have some concepts of illegal connections also which we need to stop, moving back to the government sewage systems and all, and groundwater, just a minute, infiltrations will also happen, and system overloading is also one of the problem for the same. Now if we will go back to the disease, we can go to the last slide there. So the maximum waterborne disease the people who are suffering with is hepatitis undefined or undifferenced, I don't know what is that hepatitis it is. Second one is diarrhea, and third one is typhoid, and then hepatitis A, and then brucellosis. So this is data from 2006 to 2013 actually. So maximum is maximum people are suffering from hepatitis actually.
Okay.
So these are the findings.
Okay, good. So how does the disease, incidence of disease in Cairo compare with that of New York?
So it's declining. We have the hepatitis.
Yeah, it's declining in Cairo over time, but how does this compare with New York?
New York क्या था न्यू यॉर्क में सबसे ज़्यादा डिजीज कौन सा होता है? डायरिया. So diarrhea was the disease which has been found in New York. 1,000 per million.
1,300 per million.
1,300 per million is around 18 lakhs. So diarrhea is in second position, we can say, in cardio.
Yeah, but compared to New York, is there more diarrhea or less diarrhea?
I don't know, like the total population is 10.3 million in Cairo. I don't know what is the population of New York.
But per thousand, per million, like if there are, population can change, but the rate of disease.
So it is approx 80%. We can see here
Yeah.
the response to the
So Cairo has less diarrhea than compared to New York. No, by rate. London is Stuti and Vivek.
You are presented?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if you compare with these two, what is the rate?
Kiska, right?
Cairo and London, if you do,
On which, sir, number of people like available
cases,
number of cases
in
of
terms of percentage,
diarrhea is highest, 27%.
27% in London.
Yes, sir.
Compared to Cairo.
Highest among all the cities.
Highest among all the cities.
Again, you just look at that.
Yeah.
We are comparing to the city of Cairo. And you are saying London is having the percentage rate of diarrhea cholera is higher than the Cairo, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not correct, I would say. Just watch it.
Sir, it is from the paper Longitudinal Study of Infectious Intestinal Disease in UK, IID2 study. It is from a paper, sir.
Yeah, but what is the rate per thousand population in London compared to the rate per thousand population in Cairo, and which is higher?
Sir, what is of Cairo? I don't know the numbers.
And that's why you find out someone has just read about Cairo. Thanks for paying. Shipra is saying, Stuti, thanks for paying attention to what I just said.
सर आवाज कम आ रही है.
हाँ आवाज़ थोड़ी कम आ रही थी तो बहुत धीरे बोल रही
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, last group. Who's the last? Everyone's presented? You guys are the last one? Okay. Yeah, they haven't paid attention to other professions.
So they will carry to this thing also. They carry with them.
See, to look at the disease incidence, you have to take per percentage, like per thousand or per million what the design and disease incidence is, okay? London is obviously much bigger than Cairo, so there will be more people who have disease in London than Cairo population-wise. But if you take the rate of disease per million population, London and New York will have the lowest. London, New York and Hong Kong will have the lowest. Cairo and Jakarta will have much higher. And in Jakarta, the group that shared about Jakarta actually showed that within Jakarta, neighborhoods that had water supply, sewage connection had lesser disease per thousand. This group, yeah, they did a very good presentation. Yeah, okay. So the reason I'm asking you all this is you got to pay attention to what the other group is saying. Okay, that's why I'm asking you these questions, because you have to know that.